I just want to start off by wishing the Sikh community a very happy Vaisakhi. Just like the previous years, once again, I want to remind everyone that if you're going to be serving food during this Vaisakhi parade, please make sure that you go to our website or pick up an application from any of the three temples, the one on Scott Road and 72nd, the one on 80th and 132nd, and also the one main temple where the parade route starts. The application deadline, which was due on April 8th, has already passed, but we are still accepting applications, and we will try to process as many as we can. If we are unable to process the application, we will advise you so that you may have other options that you can use if you want to serve food at the Vaisakhi event. One of the things that I want to remind to our parade visitors and food service handlers is if you're feeling sick or if you're just arriving from India and having any symptoms of any illness, please avoid directly handling the food. You can involve yourself in other services such as picking up garbage around the area or helping out with other stuff, but do avoid handling food. If you just want to serve any whole fruits, you do not require a permit.
One of the main points we would like to stress is the importance of hand washing. Frequent and proper hand washing is one of the ways that we can reduce the risk of foodborne illness. So to promote frequent and proper hand washing, all vendors will require a hand washing station set up at their booth. So this can include either renting a portable sink or setting up your own temporary hand wash station with a large water jug or coffee urn with a spigot so that the water can flow freely, and then a large container to catch the wastewater at the bottom, and to ensure your hand sink is fully stocked with liquid soap and paper towels. Another important food safety point that we would like to stress is the importance of proper temperature controls. So please remember that any cold, potentially hazardous foods such as yogurt, milk, or any other dairy products needs to be kept cold at or below 4 degrees Celsius. You can accomplish this using either a refrigeration unit or an insulated cooler with ice packs. And any hot, potentially hazardous foods such as any sauces and curries should be kept hot at or above 60 degrees Celsius. And you can keep food hot either using insulated containers or chafing dishes.
One would be not to handle food if you're showing any signs of sickness or illnesses. And if you are handling food, it is very important to not handle it with your bare hands. So you want to use disposable gloves or tongs that can be washed and sanitized to reduce the chance of biological contamination. And finally, the last point on the stress is reducing the chance of physical contamination. So do not store any food products on the ground, on the grass, on the gravel. You want to make sure that it's kept off the ground and on the table to reduce any chance of contamination.